Hi, this is Jorge Guzman, sales agronomist for South and Central Texas with this week's tip of the week. We're in South Texas. We are at a sorghum field, and today we'll be talking about scouting for midge in sorghum. First of all, what is a midge? A midge is a small insect. It's kind of reddish in color, resembles a mosquito, but it's like I said, it's red in color. And what the midge does, it goes to the sorghum fields, and they look for the sorghum heads with fresh blooms on it. And it will lay its eggs on the fresh blooms. Once the eggs hatch, the larvae will eat the inside of each grain. It's important to know that the adult only lays its eggs on a fresh bloom. And as you all know, plants bloom at different stages, so as long as there's a fresh bloom on the head, there's a potential for it to have midge on it. So how do you scout for midge? You start at the edge of the field, and you work through the field until you get a good representation of the field. You want to check anywhere from 30 to 50 plants. The way you check a plant, basically you get a plastic bag, you find a plant with fresh blooms, and basically you find a head and insert it in the bag. So like this, shake the bag, and you pull out the bag, then you look for any midge or any other insect that's on the head. Once you check all 30 to 50 plants, you'll have an estimate of what's out there. And if the pressure's high enough, you might want to start initiating a spray program to control your midge. By doing all this, scouting in a timely manner, checking your fields in a way where it represents the entire field, you'll have a good program to be monitoring the midge, and it'll help your IPM program. So hopefully by doing all this, it'll help you reduce the damage of midge that might be present in your fields, and hopefully this will help you have a good yield for the year. So hopefully this helps, and thank you for listening.